Hello everybody, sorry I have a little bit of a cold and my voice is super scratchy, but that is not stopping me from couponing today. So it is a miserable day today. It is going to be a high of 59 degrees and rainy. Yesterday it was like 79, today it is 59 and it's supposed to rain all day today and be cold, which is okay. I'm okay with that. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside Walgreens and I'm gonna share with you guys the deals all throughout the store. I may or may not do all the deals, but I like to still share with you guys deals because everybody needs different things. And then I will come back depending on the rain and I will show you guys my haul. I usually put my camera on the dashboard, but since the rain's pretty loud, I might have to just hold my camera the whole time. We will see, but let's go inside and have some fun shopping. So here we have the Garnier Skin Active Wipes for $6.29. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off, but we do have a $3 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You would, 3 off of 2, you would pay $6.43. But then you guys can actually submit your receipt to IBOTTA where you get $2 back with a limit of 2, so you'll get $4 back with IBOTTA, making these just $2.43 or $1.21 each. So here's an easy moneymaker that you guys can do. You want to get the Covergirl for $5.79. Make sure you check your online app prices. My app prices are not working very well right now. But make sure you check the price because this might be an even better deal. It might actually, if I kind of Googled it, it might be $4.49 on the app, but check your app. But anyways, you want to buy 2 of the eyeshadows for $5.79 and you can get 1 of the concealers for $7.79. Now these are currently buy 2, get the 3rd free. So you're going to mix and match. But you want to use one eye coupon for $3 that we just got in today's inserts, and you also want to use one $3 off face coupon. You will end up just paying $7.58 for the 3 items. But we have a deal with IBOTTA where you get $3 back for the face, you get $3 back with one of those, and then you'll get $3 back with the eye. But since we're buying 2 of the eyeshadows, you'll get $6 back for the eye, making them both a $1.42 moneymaker. So here we have the Garnier Fructis 2 for $8. We also have the whole blends 2 for $8. Now we currently have a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. Some of you guys might have a 5, but I only have the 2 off of 2. And then we're gonna actually use the $3 off of 2. So what you can do is you can mix and match however you want to do it. If you do use the digital, you have to get 2 of the same ones, but we're gonna mix and match however we want to do it, and you're gonna get 3 of them. So 2 for $8, you're gonna get 3 of them at $12. You're gonna use this 3 off of 2 insert coupon. You would end up just paying $9 for 3 of them, but then you get a $5 cash rewards, making them just $4 or $1.33 each. You can also get some of the styling products. This is the product that I absolutely love. Here's another deal if you guys want to do the L'Oreal Elvive. Is currently 2 for $9. We do have the Walgreens booklet, or you guys can clip this coupon for $2 off of 2, making it $7. But then we have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have some printable coupons too, and I'm not sure about an insert, but you can use that 3 off of 2, making these just $4 or $2 each. So here we have the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3 this week. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You'll pay $3, but then when you buy the 2, you get a $3 register reward, making them both absolutely for free. There's also in the ad for a Colgate coupon for a 4 off of 2 or 3 off of 2. I've scanned many products and the thing is not popping up for me, so can't show you guys that deal because I don't have the coupon, but look for that coupon too. Here is another repeater deal if you guys want to do this. There's no digital coupons for it, but we do have the 7th generation wipes, and then my store is sold out of the all-purpose cleaner, but they are $2.99 this week. You would end up paying just $5.98, but then you get a $2 cash rewards, making them $3.98 or just $1.99 each. So here we have the Snuggle boosters. This is $4.99. It is buy one, get one free, Now we actually have a $2 off insert coupon. So you guys will just get this for $2.99. My store only has one, so I can still get this and one of these for $2.99. That's $1.50 each, which is a great deal. Otherwise, you can go ahead and get two of these and use that $1.50 off coupon, and you will end up just paying $3.49. That is $1.74 each, which is still a pretty decent deal. Now here is an awesome deal if you guys have this digital coupon. So it is $13.99, right? But I actually have an $8 off digital coupon that you guys can use for this big bottle. Like, these are the small bottles, this is the big bottle. You use that $8 off digital coupon. You would pay $5.99, but here you get a $3 register reward when you purchase the one. $2.99. $2.99. So here we have the Purex crystals for $5.99 at buy one get one free. So you guys would pay $5.99 for it, but we do have an IBOTTA deal where you get $1 back with a limit of 5. So you just get these for $3.99. It's like $1.99 each, which is a pretty good deal. Here we have the Arm & Hammer. These are all three for $8.49. We have the little shakers, we got the pods, and then we have the liquid. Those come out to be just $2.83 each. So here we have the Twix for $1 on sale this week. We currently have a 50-cent off of 2. So you guys would end up paying $1.50. That's just 75 cents up for a pack of Twix. We also have the Butterfinger on sale for $1, but there is a 25-cent IBOTTA rebate, making this just 75 cents also. Now I already did a 90% haul, but I was just looking at my Squishmallows in my store and I found another flounder, you guys. This is $1.49. $1.49. So I'm getting it. Hello everybody. Sorry for the rain. It's gonna be raining all day, so I'm gonna kind of hold my camera because it's gonna echo into the camera and I don't want it to be loud. So I'm sorry for the rain. I'm sorry if I pick up my eye. There's like something in my eye that's driving me nuts. But I did find flounder sitting in the regular toy aisle. I went and had them price check it. This was the only summer clearance I could find at the store. They're like completely gone, or they moved it all. They did have a whole end cap of dresses, which I don't need any of them, but $1.49 for this little guy, so I was pretty excited with that. So I ended up getting 2 of the Garnier Fructises, the wipes. These were $6.29 at buy one get one 50% off. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd use. You'd end up paying $6.43 for this, but then you guys can submit an IBOTTA rebate for $2 back with a limit of 2, so you get $4 back with IBOTTA, making this just $2.43, or like $1.21, $1.22 each. So we got that. So I ended up getting one of the Snuggle shakers. These were $4.99 at buy one get one free. And I used that $2 off coupon. The coupon did beep at me, so just giving you guys a heads up, but I did use that $2 off coupon, and they entered it in for me, and then I ended up getting this one for free. So that came out to be just, was it $2.99? It was $4.99. It was $2.99, so like $1.49 each, which is a pretty great deal. I got a Butterfinger. I wish they made Butterfinger BBs again, you guys. Nobody better lay a finger on my Butterfinger BB. But I miss those things. But anyways, these were just $1. I paid $1 for this, but then you get $1 or 25 cents back with IBOTTA, making this just 75 cents. I was gonna try to hit this IBOTTA rebate bonus, but I need like 9, and I hit 4, and I don't think I'll hit that many at CVS. But I got some Twix. Now, one thing is, they don't have the left or right anymore. I found out on TikTok that apparently the right has more caramel and the left has more caramel and the right has more cookie crunch. I don't know if that's true, but they don't do the left and right anymore. So anyways, these were $1. I used that 50 cent off of 2 insert or printable coupon. Got these for $1.50 or 75 cents each. And funny thing is, I've been craving Twix like there's no tomorrow. Like yesterday, I'm just like, oh, I want some Twix. We had a birthday party yesterday, and I'm just like, why didn't I get myself some Twix? Why? So I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis. I got 2 of these, and then I got a whole blends. These were 2 for $8, so $12 for 3 of them. Then you want to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon, or the insert coupon. If you guys have that insert coupon, you would pay $9 for this, but then you get a $5 cash rewards when you purchase that. Making them $4 or just $1.33 each. Now the cash rewards, you can do as many of those deals in one transaction and you will get the $5 cash rewards for everything. So that is a good thing with that. Some of you guys might have a 5 off of 2. If you have a 5 off of 2, that's an even better deal, but I did not have that digital, so I ended up not getting that deal. Now I ended up getting, my app finally showed me what the price was. The store had this for $5.79. She priced it for, or she price matched the online price for $4.49. So if you guys can price match your store, or store have price match the online price, go for it. But I ended up doing that. I gotta find the other items. It sucks having only one hand, you guys, with this rain. What the heck? I'm not finding it. There it is. Okay, so sorry you guys had to stare at my hair, but I ended up price matching the 2 eyeshadows for $4.49, and the same price was for the eye concealer for $7.79. Now, if your store doesn't price match their $5.79, you want to use 2 $3 off coupons. You want to use one for the concealer and one for the eyeshadow for $5.79. You would pay $7.58 for the 3 of those with those 2 coupons. If your store price matches for the $4.49, you would pay $6.28. Then you can submit your receipt for $3 times 3, so that's 3, 3, and 3, so $9 back with IBOTTA, making it either a $1.42 moneymaker if you don't price match, or if you do price match, it is a $2.72 moneymaker. $2.72 money maker for these Covergirls, which is a great deal. Hold on, I need something for my throat. Don't judge me, I'm drinking Kool-Aid because that's all I had to drink real quick. Okay, the next item I got, I think this is oh no, I got 2 items to show you. You guys, I can't believe I got this. This right here. Originally $16.99. It was on sale for $13.99. I used an $8 off digital coupon. It came off. You would end up paying $5.99. $5.99, but you do get a $3 register reward when you purchase that, making it $2.99. $2.99 for this big gigantic thing. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. So I did that. I could not get my Colgate coupons to pop up. I could not figure out anything. I don't know what the heck was going on, but I could not find my Colgate digital. Sorry, I had a cough. Meaning, like, I scanned products, nothing was popping up. I searched it, nothing was popping up. But when I checked the ad, it said it was clipped. But when I clicked on it, nothing was popping up. So I had no Colgate digital coupons. But I did get 2 of the Crest. These were $3 and $3 on sale. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay just $3 for this, but then you get a $3 register reward, making them both absolutely free. So yeah, so that was my haul. It was a small haul, but that was fine. Check, my store had a ton of clearance on like Neutrogena products, but nothing, it was all picked over and anything. But my total came to $28.21 for everything. I ended up getting 2 $3 register rewards for the Downy and the Crest, so that's $6 back of register rewards. For points, my points did not show up on my receipt, but I went to the ad right away to check it out, or the app, sorry you guys, I'm losing my voice. I went to the app right away to check out, and I ended up getting $10.33 of points, or Walgreens cash. They used to call it points, now it's Walgreens cash. It's hard to break a habit sometimes. And then with IBOTTA, I did submit my receipt, and I did get $13.25. That is for the Garnier Fructis for $4, $9 for the Covergirl. I got 25 cents for the Butterfinger, and then there was one more item. What the heck did I get? That was another item. I don't remember. But I ended up getting $13.25 according to, yeah, that was it. According to whatever it showed up on there. So my total came to be $1.37 Moneymaker. I got everything for free, plus I made a profit, so I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. I hate being sick, but that's just the way it happens. But hopefully I feel better next week. I am going to give you guys a heads up. I am going to be posting my video late next week. I am going to my parents' house next weekend. I have my class reunion. We're spending the night. And so whenever we get to town, I will possibly do a Walgreens haul. If it's not so hot like it was like last week, I might skip it, but most likely you guys rely on me, and I want to try to show you guys as many deals as I can. So I will most likely just be posting it late. Not sure at what time, but it'll be late, but that's okay. That's just how things roll. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.